The repetition maximum testing, or 1RM test, is used to determine the level of muscular strength of an individual. 1RM is the heaviest weight lifted successfully through full range of motion, unassisted, and with proper technique. We will observe 1RM during two different protocols, the bench press and the incline leg press. Before lifting, it is important for the individual to warm up for about 5 to 10 minutes, either with low-intensity aerobic exercises or several reps of the lift with a light load. According to Matt Sicky in his study Strength Testing, predicting a 1 rep max from reps to fatigue, an individual's 1RM can be calculated by dividing the most weight a person can lift for 10 repetitions by 0.75. This calculation will give an estimate of the weight that the individual can lift for the 1RM. The individual's initial weight should be set to 50 to 70% of their perceived capacity. Instruct the individual to attempt a repetition, then rest for 3 to 5 minutes. Increase the initial weight by 2.5 to 20 kilograms and continue attempts until lift cannot be achieved. After the 1RM is reached, the strength to weight ratio should be calculated with the following formula: weight lifted over body weight. The strength to weight ratio will vary between different parts of the body depending on the individual's strength. The 1RM protocol is not recommended to use in elderly, adolescents, and sedentary populations because of how extraneous it is, how much stress it can place on the body, and the techniques needed to properly perform the lift. On the other hand, a protocol recommended for such populations is the reps to fatigue, which measures the maximal strength and anaerobic performance. During the reps to fatigue protocol, the individual will perform about 2 to 10 lift repetitions. The weight to be lifted will be calculated with the following formula: weight lifted divided by 1.0278 minus 0.0278x, where x equals the number of reps performed properly. Another way to determine the muscular strength is through a push-up assessment, where the goal is to perform as many push-ups as possible without rest. Individuals can perform a normal or modified push-up. The hands should be placed under the shoulder, pointing forward, straight back, elbows fully extended on up position, and instruct the individual to exhale when pushing off from the floor. From a push-up to count, the chin must touch the mat. The test should be stopped when proper form is not maintained within 2 repetitions. The number of repetitions is a muscular strength score.